name is Tuncay and I'm the proud father of a child who has been attending the Unik International for the past year. A year ago, we were searching for the right school for our child, Hamza. During our search, we came across Unik International on the internet. We also received recommendations from a few people. Deciding him to enroll at the school turned out to be one of the best decisions we have ever made for Hamza. Since he started at the Unik, we have witnessed remarkable improvements in him. His communication skills flourished, his self-confidence has grown significantly, and he has formed wonderful friendships. Additionally, Unik International has greatly supported his learning skills. Now Hamza loves education and we are greatly proud. We are very happy with his development and grateful to the dedicated staff and teachers at the school for their support for our child's growth.